Some might sleep. Hey, look! That one!
He can get out. If that's the boy. Yeah,
That
the
is
boy
the
can get out.
I know. One day he got out and he started trying to climb on me.
Mm-hmm.
He got out. He got out. He got out and climbed on me. What's the other game? What are you doing?
Look, he's getting out! You want to get him out and put him on the floor?
Mm-mm. They were all awake right now, but looks like they're going to sleep again.
Now one's awake. Can I squirt water on him?
No! God, you're mean.
Oh. Hey, look, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
He's walking. He's walking, Mommy.
See, I told you they could walk.
Mommy, that one's walking.
Yeah. It's just slippery on the floor. What the heck is that? It's like gum.
Destiny gum. Because one time Destiny had gum like that.
No, that is a crown. Because gum is not brown.
Come here, little man. Oh, sorry, Pa.
Hey!
Come here, Daisy. Oh. They all hit their head there.
Mommy, look. He's walking, Mommy. His stomach's above the ground.
Mm-hmm.
He slipped.
No, puppy.
Come on, get up.
This puppy's trying to go.
Get up.
Come on, puppy.
Leave him alone, Pa. Don't do that to him.
I want him getting in there with his family.
That's a girl, actually.
This girl could get out. This boy or girl?
This is the boy right here. Who almost got walking down completely.
Hey, oh, puppy.
Just drew.
Oh,
Mommy, his head went.
I took him out, Mommy. I took him out because his head got in. Oh, one step on
They
Daisy.
can't walk yet, but that one's halfway to walking.
So yeah, all this stuff is on your floor.
They're trying to eat it. What's me?
Daisy has a little bit of black on him.
Mm-hmm.
And he looks like Dakota.
This one's a cutie. Y'all know her. Y'all got the black and white ones.
Probably from Dakota's dad. Probably from Dakota's dad and Damon's dad.
Oh, look at Daisy.
Up here, he's your brother.
Oh, that one's either the brother or the sister.
I heard him.
The black ones get their butts up.
Hey, this one got the butt.
Wake up, sleepyheads.
Get the other ones. Come on, wakey, wakey.
Milky, milky. Ew.
1, 3, 4, 3. Yeah, it's all 5.
That's there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5.
Why are you crying,
Wake up,
Daisy?
you little baby.
Uh-oh.
He got it almost. Come on, pick up the butt.
Come on, come in here where your puppy's good
Leave them
job.
alone, Destiny. They have to learn on their own.
You have to learn now.
learn on their own. I think Daisy.
She's just a mama's girl. And that's why she's crying.
Oh, he got my toe. Daisy got my toe.
Let me shut this.
Yeah.
The little little heads. See, he's a climber, or she's a climber. That one likes to climb.
That's the, this is a girl.
I like the girl.
This one's
Yeah, it's a girl.
Oh!
She's gonna be very, very furry.
And one peed on
Mommy.
the floor.
alright.
Mommy.
But go get some paper towel or something. Sure.
Is there a girl with the is there private gonna be up here or like at the bottom?
No, tell me.
At the bottom.
At the top. So
At the
this one's a
bottom.
girl.
Go get me some paper towel, I'm telling you.
Who's?
You.
Oh, you.
Hey, it's wiping his butt all over the floor. What has sharp claws?
Go fat you are. Fat self.
Yeah, that puppies. They're eating healthy, Mommy. Oh, that was only skinny one.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
I miss the skinny one.
Oh, he's gonna drink it, Mommy. Where's my pee-pee? Daisy.
This one.
Destiny, is this all I get? Go and get more paper towel.
Get off of me. See, this one's alive. He liked me.
This one loves me.
Lida.
If this one likes me, you'll never come back. Ah, you're coming. Daisy. Jump into the other one.
Here.
What?
Oh, wait.
Mommy. He's right behind you. Mommy, the towel's right behind you. Mommy, back. Mommy wants taking the doo-boo. That one.
Uh-oh.
Yep. Yeah, you
Shut
can.
up. I'm videoing this. And the last thing I need is for you to be saying all kinds of stuff. He wants to come and see what this is. And I might keep her.
Her?
Mm-hmm. She's brown and black. She has a little bit of brown at the tips.
Hey, let's go and pee on some.
Quiet, guys. Y'all say you're so immature. Stop! Put her down. Be careful.
No. Oh my gosh! This one likes me.
This one's a crybaby right here too.
Dakota!
Daisy likes me, Mommy. When to poop on himself like.
Shut up.
Oh.
I'm not putting y'all in here because... Destiny, you went to take a bath already? That was so fast.
Oh, guys. Daisy!
Don't let him go to it.
Gonna get some poop.
No, these both came over here because they want to go back to sleep. They're lazy.
Lazy puppies.
Like between my legs sleeping. I love her tail. It's the cutest tail.
Daisy?
Her little feet. Every time I grab her feet, she moves them. Look at her little paws.
You start crying, Mommy.
No, she didn't.
Who cried then? Like,
Hey, this one got to twin my legs. Look, Mommy. Look.
Yeah. Yeah, they get warm right there. That's why.
I'm getting more warm this.
Dakota, where are you? Come over here with your brothers and sisters so you don't be crying no more. You're not alone.
Come on. Look at all of them.
no, Bob. Let him be. Let him be.
Hello, don't talk like that. Let him be. What the heck is that? I don't talk that way. You don't need to talk that way.
Dakota.
Because you're always at work and I always have to be around and they always say, let him be, let him be.
Okay, well, you don't have to say it.
I just got it stuck in my head.
Look at me. Look, it's sad.
Because crooked eyes like Dakota. Dakota!
Come here!
Dakota!
She wants food. Daddy's probably over there eating.
Dakota!
She thinks.
Dakota! Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Dakota's eating melon and she don't want to come over here with her puppies.
That's a video.
Mm-hmm.
They're all sad.
They all came to me to sleep. They think I'm their mama.
And they can't be alone.
They're my babies.
They can't be alone.
Just cute little fat balls.
And they're so cute. I want all of them.
I want all of them too, but I can't keep them.
Look, Mommy. This one came to me.
They cost too much money. They're already knocked out. Sleeping. Yeah, they sleep already.
They just spring this jet right there and then they start to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Which one pooped it on himself?
They have like maybe 10 minutes of activity. And that's it. They're all sleepy already. I gotta put them back in the kennel.
You can leave them out here and sleep.
With their mom.
Ah.
You're Malumpa.
This one's awake.
His eyes are open too, but you can barely see them. Or her eyes.
I think it's a boy, because didn't Daddy say 2 boys and 1 girl, but not 1 boy and 1 girl?
Come on, little puppy. Don't be scared.